In this tutorial, I'll show you how to delete collections in the Webflow CMS. Let's get started. Open your Webflow project and go to the CMS panel. Find the collection you want to remove and select it. If you only want to remove a collection list from a page, select the collection list element in the designer and press delete, or remove it from the navigator. This only removes the element from the page and does not delete your CMS data. To permanently delete a CMS collection, open the collection in the CMS panel, open its settings and choose Delete Collection. Confirm the deletion when prompted. Keep in mind that deleting a collection permanently removes the collection, its items, and any references associated with it. So make sure you no longer need the data before confirming. That's how to delete collections in the Webflow CMS. Thanks for watching.